Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I have a ton of giveaways going on right now, as well as every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Ruby May Mood palette. Kind of reminds me of the colors that I'm kind of wearing right now, but what I'm wearing right now is the new Juvia's Place Warrior 3. Anyway, so let's get into Ipsy. Ipsy started off doing $10 a month beauty samples. Now I think they've raised it to $12. They do have the Ipsy Plus, which is what this is, for $25. And these are all 5 full-size items. For now, they're going to start in October doing the Ipsy Ultimate for $50, where it's 8 full-size items and plus 4 samples. I think it's okay if you watched my other video when I did the regular Ipsy unboxing. I kind of explained what I thought about that Ipsy Ultimate. Basically, I wish they would have done it like a quarterly, kind of like how BoxyCharm does their Boxy Luxe quarterly is what it boils down to. So let's dive into this box and see what's in here. I did purchase a couple of add-ons. I do have a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks, review them for you, let you know what I think. So I picked up a couple items for that. And these were all, picked these up, they were $3 each. And so I picked up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I've heard really good things about that. Wanted to try that out. And then for $3, you got 2 different masks from Pharmacy. You got the Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. And also the Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. So be on the lookout for all of these in an upcoming masking series. So the first item in here is actually a product that I already own. It is the CIATÉ Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I went ahead and pulled mine out, and this one is mine that I have. I love using it. This retails for $22, and it's the Ultra Blendable Translucent Powder from formula-driven innovator CIATÉ London. CIATÉ London makes my favorite mascara of all time, their Wonderland. Love, love, love that one. Is their finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focus finish and locks your locks in all day, which is truly extraordinary. It really does do that. Tip is to bake and set areas with concealer. Pack on a generous amount of the translucent powder over your concealer and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes before sweeping away the excess. And I do love that they are cruelty free. So because I already have this one and I've started setting stuff aside, we're really close to 400 subscribers. Help us get there, and I've got a really, really big one planned for our 500. So help us get to these milestones. Anyway, I'm putting this one in those giveaways. So like I said, I do a masking series. So I'm super excited about this. This is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. It's a luminous, super satisfying peel off formula mask from the I Do Care K-Beauty line, where it vitalizes skin in all fronts. It moisturizes, calm, exfoliates, brightens. The diamond powder boosts elasticity, while rice bran extract packs in all the antioxidants. Tip: apply a generous layer of the mask in fingers and let it dry completely to ensure it peels off in one piece. The best part, my skin is super sensitive. I can't tug and pull off. Who wants tugging on their face? That's not good for your face. Don't do it. So what I do is when I put this peel off one, is then I'll go in with a wet washcloth and just kind of gently buff it off, so that way I'm not peeling anything. But I will try this one out in an upcoming masking series, so be on the lookout for this. This full size retails for $23. So I've been loving this. This is the Aiko Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. It is cruelty-free, retails for $22, and I have one of these as well. It's Talk About a Magic Wand. This award-winning formula from fashion icon and cat eye queen Alexa Chung gives you an effortless application that stays all day. The brush tip glides on easy to create the perfect wing. Plus, it's a wide lash peptide formula, promotes lash growth. I love that. I have been doing the new lash and I've noticed a big difference in my eyelashes on there. So the tip is to keep the tip of the liquid saturated, avoid drying out by storing the pen upside down. That's how I store all of mine. It does retail for $22 and is cruelty free. Because I already have this is going in that upcoming giveaway as well. By OFRA Cosmetics is the Madison Miller Squad palette. We did get a single of her blush that she just put out. Madison Miller is a fellow YouTuber here. I love her channel and subscribe to it. I will put a link to her channel in the description box down below. Multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from OFRA Cosmetics, which is cruelty free, and content creator Madison Miller, who's also a new mama. Her baby is so cute. And it's all about that to-go glow. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend. This rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Tip: make the most of your palette by dipping a wet brush into the pigments used as an eyeshadow. That's what the packaging looks like. I love OFRA's highlighters. They're just amazing. It does have a mirror on this side. And then here are those gorgeous colors. Don't want to swatch it because this one's going in the giveaway too. Told ya, queen of giveaways. And finally is a palette. I love their palettes by Nomad Cosmetics. Is the Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Inspired by Berlin's rebellious 90s counterculture, this 15-shade palette features metallics, mattes, and duochrome hues like distressed black, burnt orange, and snakeskin green. Hemp seed oil nourishes the lids with a buttery soft feel and a serious color payoff. Tip: use the shadows for a dry, subtle shading and everyday looks, or wet, dramatic, high impact shimmer. Value is $37. This looks like. It does have a mirror on this side, and look how gorgeous those look. I can't decide if I'm going to keep this or put it in the giveaway, because I don't want to swatch it, obviously, if I'm going to go ahead and put it in the giveaway. So let's not swatch it right now. And then I think I'm going to put this one in the giveaway for you guys. So much stuff. Everything was going in the giveaway. The only thing that I was keeping was the mask. You guys are gonna make out like bandits when we hit that 400 and 500 subscriber giveaway. Help us get there. I thought it was a really, really good, to get 2 palettes, basically. You got the Nomad palette and a cheek palette. It was an amazing thing. Let me tally up the total here for you. Total of this box was $139. Not bad, thinking that you only spent $25 for this one. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Please, it does. It means the world. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.